Blaupunkt MPD 610A is designed to enhance audio quality and combat road noise, making your favorite songs more enjoyable when played through your car's speakers. The MPD 610A features Bluetooth and USB music streaming, making it just a connection away. With a powerful maximum output power of 880 watts, the MPD 610A ensures a robust audio experience. Measuring a compact 279mm by 200mm by 57mm, it effortlessly fits into any setup. The package comes complete with a universal 20p wire harness, a 4p wire harness, and a USB cable for PC tuning. Additionally, all necessary installation components such as a mounting bracket, gaskets, and screws are provided. For guidance on setup and usage, a comprehensive user manual is included. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.